Hey everybody, if you want to see me plan in my new Erin Condren planner, please stay tuned. Hey planner babe, so I'm going to plan in to my Erin Condren planner, and I will be using other stickers, okay, from other places, okay, and I'm gonna be in December, so I decided to use this as a fitness planner, okay, and I'm gonna make it like a fitness planner. So let's just see how this will work, okay? So we're in December. Yes, it's green, Lord Jesus, but anyway, I digress. The stickers I'm going to use is from Happy Planner, and yeah, so but I'm going to use a different color. I'm not going to use green just to match it up. No. So we not matching, we not doing all that. Okay? That's not what we not going to do, okay? So we're going to go on this side since it's December, okay? And we're going to go over here. All right? So, we're going to take this. So we're basically going to try to line things up, and I'm glad this has lines so it can so stuff won't be crooked, okay? And yeah, let's put this too. Positive notes and things. Excuse the the stickers because it can get a little crooked, and don't nobody feel like going back. So I'm putting this here. Oh, that was really crooked. Okay, that's okay. All right, just gonna get okay, a little closer. Okay. Okay, so we got this gold, this and then the third, okay, and I wanted to put some washi somewhere. I don't know how that's gonna look, but we could probably put it on that side because I'm gonna use this side as well. So I'm gonna use two sides, and I'm gonna put the washi down here. All right, so let's see what else they got. Oh, this one came apart. Okay, let's see. What else can we put? Themes will be a little off, y'all. I apologize for that. Okay, let's go back to the hero. And we are going to put some little stuff there. Okay, so live well. Okay. All right, so we got that. So we're done with that. Now we're going to take the washi. And if I need to add anything else, I'll probably add it because I need to write some things right here. So I'm going to take this, my sharp behind X-Acto knife. And I don't know where I got this washi from. I believe Dollar Tree. No, not Dollar Tree. I got this from Hobby Lobby, I think. Oh, Jesus, Mary Joseph. Okay. Oh, this might be... because this was on sale, so I hope this wasn't old. Be careful, Marquita, with that. Oh, wait, hold on. Oops, okay. I see I done messed up a washi doing that. Okay. I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby. I am not too sure. Alright, so I'm going to put the washi at the bottom here. Oh, snap. I done made all the threes look like that, I guess. Because the way I cut into it, so. Whoops, my bad. Okay. And I think we're going to put it at the top as well. Okay. Oh, y'all, I need washi 101, y'all. I know I said that before, but that is crazy. I'm just gonna put it over that. Okay, that's the washi. All right, so we got some rulers here. All right, so I'm gonna close that up because Lord. Okay, and then I guess we'll put another Healthy Hero thing here. They got steps and floors, but I'm not really doing none of that. I'm just gonna put this again over here. How I'm feeling. Just gonna put that there. Then I'm just gonna put Go Me right here. And we need some motivational things, so we need to put Don't Quit. Okay. Dad, this camera won't let me be great at all. Let me see. Okay. All right. And yeah. Oh, and drink more water. We need to put that here too. Okay, there we go. And eat well. Okay. Need a reminder. Okay. And that's just basically about that for that part. All right, so now we're done with this. So this is what the fitness is looking like. I will put a focus on, I don't know, but I'll just get like a pin from the Tiny collection and see if I could put it there. So just in case I need something like important to remember. But, you know, just pin it right there and have another pin over here. You know, something that's important. Okay. All right, so we got those things there, and then we're gonna go to the here this week. Where's the Healthy Hero? Okay, so I'm going to work out there. So Monday is not is I am. Okay, so here we go. So we're gonna do yoga and we're gonna work out. Yoga and workout. Okay, there it is. Okay. Again, the same thing the next day. We are going ham. Because I fell off a little bit. I do my little exercises, but I have fallen off. So, yeah. And I might go to the gym. So, let's just put gym here, too. For Tuesday. Because I am off. Okay. And then again, so I might rest on Saturday since I'm off. Okay, so I like these better with the gold. Okay, put these ones here. Yoga. They need more yoga stickers. And workout. I don't know how many times a week I'm going to go to the gym, but we'll just put workout. Or whatever the case is. Work out at home. Or whatever. So this is motivation here. You're probably like, Dad, it's a lot of working out. Well. And that's just basically about that. Oh, okay. So let's go back to here. So I could put like what I have for dinner. And so let's go back here. So breakfast, lunch, and dinner. No, we're not going to put that. Okay, never mind. I was going to put something else. Okay. So, I don't know what the cheat day will be. Probably like on a Saturday. So let's just put cheat day. Since I'm off, maybe that'll be a cheat day. I'm just going to put yay right here. Okay. So that's what that consists of. Okay. For right now. So I'm really proud of the DIY thing that I made right here. I may put another, let me see, put like a pin here because I like those pins. Those pins are super cool. So I'm going to put those here. Okay, like 2 of those there. Another one. Maybe one more. Okay. All right, so we got those, and I'm gonna put a fourth one because, you know, gotta keep it even though it's a different color. All right, so there we go with that. All right, so I didn't want to make it too crazy, but okay, so I want to focus on abs. I wrote that down. My camera is not like, it don't like me. Okay, so it's not letting me be great. Okay, so when I do this, I'll be able to fill it out. So because it has positive things to note, days I achieved goal. So when I'm done with my first week, like, of doing what I'm supposed to do, okay, I can come back next week. So let me know if you guys want to see me on the 10th to see, like, what, you know, what's going on, how I feel, and things of that sort. And I definitely will come back, okay, and let you guys know. So that's just basically about that. So this is the end of this. I just basically have to continue working on my goals, and I will. So if you guys want to follow me on this fitness journey, please let me know, and I'll have everything written down of what I'm going to write down. I'm just going to see what I need to do. And this is workout and do yoga. Okay, I'm gonna put that down. All right, and that's just basically it about that. So yeah, and drink more water, you guys. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy. And this is my Erin Condren planner, and I decided to use this as a fitness planner. So you know, you can use your planner however you want to use it. If you want to use it as anything, I was going to use it as a YouTube planner, but I was like, nah, fitness is better. So that's basically about that. All right, you guys. All right, I'm done, you guys. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please send it to us. It's a couple of others. Marquina, and you may want to thank you for watching. Peace. Bye.